From determining the size of your frisbee to calculating the expanse of our universe, the pi symbol has changed the world. Human life has been dominated by circular objects from the very beginning. Wooden wheels back then, and Hot Wheels today. As a result of the universal function and presence of circles, there was a common discovery that baffled ancient mathematicians all over the world, from India and Greece to Egypt and China. The diameter of a circle was always proportional to its circumference, regardless of size. The ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter always yielded a constant that was independent of the dimensions of the circle. Welsh mathematician William Jones was the first to call this proportionality constant pi. Mathematically speaking, pi is an irrational number with a value of 3.1415 ... when calculated to only 4 digits, but that is certainly not where the number ends. The estimated value of pi used by NASA and for other scientific purposes contains around 40 digits of pi. When mathematician Johann Lambert proved that pi is irrational, the fact that it is infinite also arose, because all irrational numbers are infinite. Pi belongs to a group of transcendental numbers. It is not the root of any integer, meaning that it is not an algebraic number of any degree. A rational number is an algebraic number of degree 1. Thus, if a number is transcendental, it is automatically irrational. An irrational number can't be expressed as a ratio of two numbers, so their decimal expansion is endless. Their decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. The number never ends and never repeats. Pi is a real number with a finite value, but since it is irrational, its decimal representation is endless, so we call it infinite. There are numerous ways of calculating pi. When we mentioned earlier that NASA only uses about 40 digits of pi, perhaps your first question was, how did we come up with those 40 digits? Mathematicians all over the world have worked over the centuries to develop theorems and formulae to calculate pi. The Gregory Leibniz, Newton, and Maschin series are the simplest methods to understand, whereas some of the other methods involve higher levels of mathematics. Given all the ways that our understanding of pi has helped us progress as humans, it is indeed an influential part of our lives. It even has its own holiday, Pi Day. Celebrated on the 14th of March every year, since its date stamp is 3.14, it also holds a position in the 5 super numbers of mathematics, which includes e, I, 0, and 1. Even the speed of computers is decided by how fast they can calculate the value of pi. Consequently, quantum computers can calculate about 2 quadrillion digits of pi. The life of pi is as endless as its decimal expression. Given its fundamental nature in the universe, the journey of pi has just begun, and there are plenty of mysteries still to be unraveled.